Hi, today video is for MacBook Air, but this tutorial also apply for MacBook Pro. Okay, so first of all, if you want to factory reset, all you have to do is go into the settings and make sure you are signed out from iCloud. Okay, you select this option and this is eliminar de Mac. I'm closing and now I'm out from iCloud. And also you make sure that you deactivate as I am from Spain, it's saying in Spanish but it will saying in English, find my device. Okay, now it will ask me the password. Now you can see it is out from find my device and iCloud. Now we're going to close and we need to turn off. Well, we need to close the session. Here it's saying in Spanish cerrar session, that means close session. Now we will close it, shut down. Sorry, I forgot the very important step. I just turn it on again. So all we have to do is in settings, and when we enter into iCloud, we need to remove all of the items. Okay, if you have some documents you want to save, so you better off save them on thumb drive or a hard drive, whatever you want, so that will make the things much easier. Okay, so now I will again shut down. Aquí it says apagar but it's in English, Spanish. Okay, we are closing it. Now it's closed down. So now you can see the MacBook Air is completely turned off. Here we have command button. I have my laptop broken, but you can use either this one or this one. I'm going to use this one. All you have to do is holding this key and R. Okay, you need to hold them, and well, you need to turn on and quickly hold them like this, and see, when you see that Apple logo and restoration menu, you can let them go. You can see there's 4 options, and I will tell you how to use them. Now you need to select this option. I am sorry because I'm using Spanish, so it's in Spanish, but this is disk utility. Select this one and continue. This part is very important. You don't need to delete something that you don't need to do. Okay, you need to select this one and you need to select this one. Okay, and you need to select in here. You need to select not this one. This is your SSD. Okay, make sure you don't touch this one. Just select this one and click erase. It's in this is saying borrar, but it will say erase. Okay, just select this option, and you make sure you select Mac OS extended journal. Okay, if you want to change the name, you can change, it doesn't matter. Okay, but whatever you want, and you just select borrar, which is erase. So select that. Now it's erasing, and you can see here the green symbol came up that this hard drive is erased successfully. Select accept. Once finished, just close, and now click this one, reinstall Mac OS, and we click continue. Now we'll select continue. You need to accept the license agreement. Select your hard drive and select install. Now it will take some time to install the operating system on your MacBook Air. Here it's saying 6 minutes, but it may vary. In some cases, I don't know why, but in some cases it might give you the wrong time. Don't worry, it happens. Okay, according to my experience, sometimes it says 6 minutes and takes 16 minutes. Well, in today it's not taking much time. It says 6 minutes and it's real. Well, let's see. Now it's installing the all application, and now it's showing me 11 minutes. I would like to show you the all time. So some viewers are new in this field. I would like to help those people so they know exact time. You know, I don't skip video is not necessary, but it's like saying 11-10 minutes. I will skip little bit, but I want too much. So you know exactly how much time required to restore this MacBook Air. So bear with me. And my upcoming video is about WhatsApp, and in that video I will show you how you can save your WhatsApp, and you can switch your mobile phone without of fearing about like you gonna lost all your photo. Or I will tell you a trick. In that trick, what will happen if you are using an Android phone, and you gonna have uh, let's say you want to change your mobile phone. So I will tell you a very good method or a trick, whatever you say. In that manner, you won't leave, you won't last any of your data, even the call logs. So in next video, I'm going to upload it soon. It's still saying 8 minutes. It's still saying 5 minutes. Well, 4 minutes now. Now we will come to this screen. Okay, I have skipped something because it was getting very long video, so I have skipped. And now we come to this screen, and this screen is just to select your region, where you are, wherever in your country. I am selecting España, Spain, and I select continue, and it asking me for distribution of keyboard. I'm selecting Spanish, continue, and now it's asking me to put my Wi-Fi password. I'm going to select my Wi-Fi, sorry, and continue. Now it's asking if you want to transfer your copy from Time Machine or computer Windows, and no transfer at the moment. I'm selecting no transfer. Now it's asking to activate the location services. Okay, I'm going to select activate, continue. I'm not selecting if you want to select your iCloud and you have stuff which is on iCloud and you want to make sure that they will come back, so you need to select. Otherwise you can do it later on from the menu. I'm selecting no initialization. Now I'm select continue, accept. Now it's asking for my name and password indication. Well, okay, I have resumed the video for security reason. Now I'm going to select it. Now it's creating the account and almost finish. Now it's configuration, the final configuration, and here you have a factory restored Mac without any installation of new software. So now you can go to Play Store and install the new software whichever you want, but this was the method how you can factory restore or clean your Mac. There may be many reasons for cleaning, because maybe your computer is running slow, or you want to resell it, or you just want to clean. Whatever was the reason, these were the steps. A quick walkthrough one more time. What you have to do, you have to close the iCloud from settings, and then you need to hold Command plus R. When you turn on, just turn on and just hold these two keys, and then you get to the disk utility and follow those steps I have shown you in the video. Hope you would like my video, and my video, if my video help you, please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, depending on Mac and Windows operating system, repairing of mobile phones and different electronic devices. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.